Hey everyone out there, welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here, Solar Wolf Energy. My prediction, okay, is the solar sales companies are going to slowly die off. And it's not for any real reason other than price compression, right? It's a gradual downward slope here. If we're talking $4 and $5 and $6 a watt solar, and now we're under $3. If you take out the companies that install it, companies that manufacture the products, the companies that finance it, you start taking out what's unnecessary, right? The lead companies are going to start feeling the pain, the lead generation companies that fill the pipeline for sales, and also the companies that go out and door knock. Sales are needed, no question. However, the companies that install and sell will be the ones that make it, because there's just not enough room for that margin for just the solar sales companies to operate. That's my prediction. I could be way off. I'd love to hear if you have a counterpoint to this. We'd love to hear it, and let's have a great debate. For anyone else in the solar industry, I'd like to hear you chime in too. If you're on the install side, you're in the permitting or in the office side, whatever it is, let's hear it. I'd like to use this channel as a forum for all of us in the industry, as well as educating those who want to go solar. So from all of us here at Solar Wolf Energy, thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV. Thanks.